Hello guys and welcome to my channel today. My name is Patricia Eto Intombi Ndlovu isiqaphopo esihle esiphuma khona le koBulawayo. So today we are going to be having our second lesson. We are going to do a quick recap of what we learned yesterday. So yesterday we did a lesson on how you can greet someone in Ndebele, and our first word was Salibonani. Yes, if you are saying Salibonani, you are greeting someone in Ndebele. So today I'm going to teach you something new. I'm going to teach you how to address your family members in Ndebele. Okay, so if you want to say mother in Ndebele, you say umama. Yes, you can do it. Yeah, correct. It's umama. If you want to say father in Ndebele, you say ubaba. Yes, ubaba. Correct. If you want to say sister in Ndebele, you say udadewethu. Udadewethu. Yes, correct. If you want to say brother in Ndebele, you say umfowethu. Umfowethu. Yes, but others say ubudwami. You can say ubudi. Ubudi, like brother, ubudi. Yes, if you want to say grandmother in Ndebele, you say ugogo. Yes, ugogo. Correct. If you want to say grandfather in Ndebele, you say ukhulu. Yes, or ubabomkhulu. But I suggest you use ukhulu because ubabomkhulu can be hard for you. Yes, that's all for today. So make sure that you remember this so that we can have progress in our lessons every day. And today I'm going to leave you with the word of the day in Ndebele. So the word of the day today is kuzolunga, which means it's going to be fine. Yes, kuzolunga, which means it's going to be fine. Others say what is going to be fine in English, which is kuzolunga ini in Ndebele. Kuzolunga ini, but don't overthink it. Kuzolunga, it's going to be fine. Sharp. See you in my next lesson.